Everybody, today we're going to take 996 and we're going to divide it by 17,138. Okay, we're going to use the adjunct flag division method, and we're going to put 3 digits on the flag. So let's get started. I'm going to get started with the lines. Great. Let's do another one. All right. So I'm going to make a decision, and I'm going to put a 17 right here as my divisor digits, and my flag digits are going to be 138. We could use a Vinculum, but I'm just going to do this without one. And we have 996, so I'm going to put a Vinculum for that. I'm going to put 1004. Why? Because that represents 1,000 minus 4. And let's put some zeros here. Now, we want to find multiples of 17. So I just want to talk about a neat way that you can do that for 2-digit numbers. So I have a 1 right here and a 17. That's clearly 17 times 1. So let's just skip count 2. And then I have a 14. I'm putting this in a lowercase. You'll see why. 3, 7 times 3 is 21. 4, 28. 5, 35. 6, 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. And 7 times 9 is 63. So what's neat about this is I can just get my multiples quickly. We know this is 17. We know this is 2 plus, we're going to carry this 1, 3, 34. 3 plus 2 is 51. 4 plus 2 is 6, so I get 61. 5 plus 3 is 8, so I get 85. 6 plus 4 is 10, so I get 102. 7 plus 4 is 11, so I get 119. 8 plus 5 is 13, so I get 136. And 9 plus 6 is 15, so I get 153. Okay, so the 9th multiple of 17 is 153. The 8th is this, so on and so forth. So we're going to get started. How many times does 17 go into 100? And the answer to that is, so we just look at our chart right here. It's going to be 5. 17 times 5 is 85, so there's 15 left over. Okay? Great. Now I'm going to make an adjustment. I'm going to subtract this flag digit times my first quotient figure. So 150 minus 4 is 146. 146 minus 5 is 141. So I have to go below 141. Okay? So I'm going to put 8. So that means I have 5 left over because I went to 136. Okay? Great. Now I'm going to make a double adjustment. So minus 8 and then minus 15. So I would subtract 15 first to get 35. 35 minus 8 is 27. How many times does 17 go into 27? So we're going to say once, right? And we have a remainder of 10. Great. Now we're going to make a triple adjustment every subsequent step. So I'm going to show that. I'm going to show the work right there. So we have 138, and then we have 581, and we're going to make our adjustments like this. So minus, minus, minus. Minus 40, minus 24. So let's just all add them up and then subtract them. So 40 plus 24 is 64, plus 1 is 65. 100 minus 65 is 35. So how many times is 17 going to 35? I'm going to purposely say once because I need enough to be left over, okay? Great. It goes in once to 35, so that means there's 18 left over. Let's go one more step. So I'm going to take my 138, and my 3 most recent quotient figures are 8, 1, 1. And let's make our adjustments. So 64, 1, and 3. So 64, 65, 68. What's 180 minus 68? So let's subtract 70 and then add 2. So 180 minus 70 is 110. 110 plus 2 is 112. So how many times does 17 go into 112? We're going to say 6. And we know there's 18 left over, okay? So we'll stop there. Where does the decimal go? We're going to bring it down. We bring it 3 spaces to the left. So I need to add a 0 here. So the percentage positive rate for today is 5 point. We're going to have to move it over twice again to make it a percent. 5.8116%. Okay? And this could be rounded up possibly, but we're pretty accurate. Also notice that neat kind of skip counting trick I told you. Easily allows you to get multiples of any 2-digit number, okay? Good job. Keep practicing. The more practice, the better you'll get.